Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry spinach salad. To begin, gather your core ingredients. About 5 ounces of fresh baby spinach, 1 pound of ripe strawberries, and perhaps 4 ounces of crumbled feta cheese. For a protein boost, consider adding 6 ounces of grilled chicken. A simple dressing made with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of honey will perfectly complement these flavors. This combination ensures a delightful and satisfying meal. Now, let's get everything ready. First, gently wash and spin dry about 5 ounces of fresh baby spinach. Next, hull and slice 1 pound of ripe strawberries. Cutting them into halves or quarters works well. If you're adding nuts, like half a cup of pecans, lightly toast them in a dry skillet for about 3 minutes until fragrant. This simple step significantly enhances their flavor and adds a wonderful crunch to your salad. The dressing is key to tying all the flavors together. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil with 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Whisk these ingredients vigorously for about 30 seconds until they are well combined and slightly thickened. Finish by seasoning with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious salad. In a large bowl, gently combine the 5 ounces of fresh spinach and 1 pound of sliced strawberries. Add any extra toppings like 4 ounces of crumbled feta cheese or half a cup of toasted pecans. Just before serving, drizzle the homemade balsamic vinaigrette over the salad. Toss everything lightly to ensure every leaf and berry is coated. Serve immediately and enjoy this vibrant, refreshing dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.